Hi everyone, my name is Shivangani Tandon. I have around 12 years experience in this US tax industry. I started my career in 2009 with one of the big four firm in US tax return profile and completed my enrolled agent certification in 2013. And I have been associated with many coaching institutes in last 3 years and guiding various people to achieve this license, being a coach, being a mentor, being a faculty. I have also written a book for the enrolled agent certification course. And today I'm going to share some very interesting facts about IRS and their various tax laws. So let's have a look on that. Okay, so did you guys know it takes an average of 16 hours to do IRS form 1040? Yes, you read it right. It's an average of 16 hours from start till end. So it also depends on the kind of client you're working on. If it is a high net worth client, it definitely takes more hours. If it is a pretty simple client, a small scale client, then it might take less than 16 hours as well. But on an average, it takes 16 hours to complete a form 1040 from start till end. And here form 1040 is related to the US residents. So did you guys know there are over 500 IRS tax forms available which you may need to file at any time whenever you are working on the various clients, but not all the 500 at the same time. It's total 500 forms available, out of which you might need few of them when you're working with the client. And basically, when you're preparing for the enrolled agent examination, you do need to remember the form numbers and their name as well, because in the e-examination part 1 paper, it majorly asks about the form numbers and their name as well. Not all the 500, but yes, few of them is surely asked in the e-examination. Did you know IRS is actively looking for non-compliant US person? That means people who are specified or specialized or expert in this US tax work. So yes, till date, only 53% population of the US is working on the US tax industry or US tax returns, whereas the remaining people need to fetch in the work. So definitely a huge demand is coming to India, and we need around 3,000 plus enrolled agents in next few years from the India. Did you know US person must file tax returns no matter where they live and work? Yes, even being a US resident, if you are not residing in US and residing in some other country for some time, and you do have a US residential status, you do need to file a return. So it doesn't matter where you are living for a time period or where you're working. If you have a residential status of United States, you must be filing your return on the time. If you do not file it on return, so those returns are filed at the later years and they are called as delinquent returns. Delinquent returns are quite sensitive and very high chances of getting audited as they are not filed on that time, they are the late file returns. So next fact is, did you know that thanks to FATCA, banks must disclose their American account holders to IRS or local tax authority? Yes, thanks to FATCA tax law, which was introduced around in 2016, and banks are now compelled or supposed to disclose their American account holders to IRS so that IRS can track that, US residents have accounts in various countries and how the transaction is happening in the foreign countries. They can keep a track of that as well. So these are the few facts which were, collected and I wanted to discuss with you guys to get it highlighted. Yes, for enrolled agent course and for more details, you can contact me on the given detail. Thank you.